Namaste children. In this session number 51, we are going to discuss about the worksheet number 4, the previous problems which I had given for homework from first main, and also we are going to solve the second main completely and solve the homework problems, that is p cube plus 3p plus q into qp 9p plus 2q. Here I'm going to interchange binomial and a trinomial. First, how to multiply the binomial with a trinomial we know already. First term into second bracket, the second term into second bracket. qp into p cube, which is p cube into p, which is p to the power of 4 into q, plus we are going to multiply again qp with 3p, which is 3p qp. 3p into p, 3p square, q as it is. Then plus pq into q, which is pq square. Then we are going to multiply this with the second bracket complete. 2q into p cube, which is 2p cube q. 2q into 3p is 3 2s are 6 pq plus 2q square. Now we have to find out the common factors, children. Here 3p square q and what is common here, children? You get the brackets q, p to the power of 4 plus 27p square plus 9p cube plus 2p cube q plus 6p cube plus 2q square. Here 9p cube plus 6p cube, which is 15p cube. Others all we are writing same as it is. So in this way we solve third main, children. Fourth main is, here also we have got the same interchange binomial and trinomial. We can also do directly, but we are accustomed to do first binomial with trinomial. So first term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. After we write this, we are going to multiply the monomial with the trinomial. So in this step, what we are going to do, we are going to break the binomial into monomial and trinomial as it is. Now 3x into minus 2x square will be minus 6x cube. 3x square y plus into minus is minus 3x y square. Plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8 x square y. Then plus 4x y square minus 4y cube. Here find out if you have any like terms. Minus 6x cube as it is plus 3x square y and minus 8x square y, which is minus 8x square y plus 3x square y will be minus 5x square y. Then you have minus 3xy square plus 4xy square, which will be 4 plus minus 3 is 1. 1xy square minus 4y cube. So in this way you get the answer, children. Next you have question number 5. 2 by 5a plus 1 by 7b into 3a plus 4b minus 2. Here you have to take the common term or first term, which is 5a into second bracket 3a plus 4b minus 2. Again second term 1 by 7b into 3a plus 4b minus 2. So we have converted this binomial to monomial. The trinomial term will be kept as it is. So first term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket complete. Now multiply monomial with this trinomial. You get 6 by 5 a square plus 8 by 5 ab minus 4 by 5 a plus this bracket, children, 3 by 7 ab plus 4 by 7 b square minus 2 by 7b. Here 6 by 5 a square, you don't have any common term. Then we have, I will take this 4 by 7 b square. 4 by 7 b square. And then you are having minus 4 by 5 a. Then you have minus 2 7 by 7 b. So all these terms are, I have written together here. But here 8 by 5 ab and 3 by 7 ab. Here what is common, children? 8 by 5 plus 3 by 7. AB term is common. So we are going to find the LCM for this. Other terms we are going to write as it is. 6 by 5 a square plus 4 by 7 b square minus 4 by 5 a minus 2 by 7 b plus LCM for 5 and 7 is 35. 5 sevens are 35. So write 7 in the numerator. 7 fives are 35. Write 5 in the numerator. 8 sevens are 56. Then 3 fives are 15. Added together you get 71, children. So 71 by 35 AB. This way you multiply the binomial with the trinomial. Children, next you have 0.1a into the second bracket, that is a plus c plus ac minus 0.2c into a plus c plus ac. Now multiply the outside term with all the three terms. You get 0.1 a square plus 0.1 ac plus 0.1 a square c minus 0.2 ac minus 0.2 c square minus 0.2 ac square. So the outside term with the three terms minus. Yeah, because outside minus sign is there, we have to keep minus sign for all and multiply the three terms inside the brackets. Check out whether you have any like terms here. 0.1 AC and minus 0.2 AC are common. Other terms are kept as it is. 0.1 A square minus, here children, minus 0.2 plus 0.1. One is plus, one is minus. Subtract. You get 0.1. Keep the bigger number sign 0.1. So minus 0.1 AC. This together we get minus 0.1 AC. The other terms 0.1 A square C. Here you have minus 0.2 C square minus the last term is 0.2 AC square. Other terms we are going to keep as it is. Here only two terms are common. Add the coefficients or subtract the coefficients because you have 1 plus and 1 minus. Keep the number as it is with the variable, same variable. Other terms keep as it is. In this way we multiply the given binomial with the trinomial. Children, next we have question number 2. That is, simplify the following and verify the given the results for the given value. First question, children, x square minus 4xy plus y square into x minus 2. X minus 2y, and you have got the values x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So in such case what you do, children? We interchange. First we want the binomial. So what I do, x minus 2y into x square minus 4xy plus y square. So we have interchanged the given, first it is given trinomial, then it is given binomial. But first I'll write binomial, then trinomial. We know how to multiply first term into second bracket. And then second term into second bracket. First term into complete second bracket minus 2y into second bracket. Now remove the brackets, children, by multiplying the given outside monomial with the three terms. That is x cube minus 4x square y plus xy square minus 2x square y, minus into minus is plus 8xy square minus 2y cube. Here find out any common terms you have. Minus 4x square y and minus 2x square y. Only these two are common. The other terms are x cube minus. You are having here plus minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6x square y, and then you have 1xy square and then 8xy square, that is plus 9xy square minus 2y cube. Here you have got, after multiplying these two binomial with trinomial, you get this answer. Now that it is the time to verify. We should not only simplify, children, we should also verify for the given values x equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now consider LHS as x square minus 4xy plus y square into x minus 2y. Now in place of x we are writing 3, in place of y we are writing 2. Use the big brackets. 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 2 plus 2 square. In the next bracket, 3 minus 2 into y is 2. So 2 into 2 I write. Now remove the powers. 3 square is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied 2 times. 3 into 3, which is 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 4 into 3 into 2 plus 2 square is 4. Use the brackets, children. Next, 3 minus 2 into 2, which is 4, or else write in one more step. 9 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 plus 4 as it is. Here in the second bracket, 2 2s are 4. 3 minus, we keep it as it is, 2 2s are 4. Now 9 minus 24, which is minus 15 plus 4 as it is. Then 3 minus 4 is, children, minus 1. Minus 15 plus 4 is minus 11 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, 11 ones are 11. This is only LHS, children. Now we have to consider the RHS. Which is RHS here? X cube minus 6x square y plus 9x y square minus 2y cube. Now children, we know x is 3. 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square into 2 plus 9 into 2, x is 3 and y is 2, y 2 square. And then 2 into y cube, y is 2 again, 2 cube. So use the brackets more and more so that you are not getting confused, children. Here 3 cube means 3 is multiplied 3 times. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus, what we do here, 6 into 3 square is 9 into 2 plus 9 into 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 3 cube, 2 into 2 cube, children. 2 cube means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now the next step, 27 minus 6 9s are 54, 54 into 2, which is 108 plus 9 3s are 27, 27 into 4 is again 108 minus 2 8s are 16. Minus 108 plus 108 get cancelled. 27 minus 16 is 11 again. So here we find LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have verified. So in this way we are going to simplify the given binomial with the trinomial. We get the answer. The question what we get, we have to consider this as LHS. For the values x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, we have to substitute and find the value, and then the answer we got after multiplying, we have to consider this as RHS. Substitute the values x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, you get the RHS. We find LHS is equal to RHS, hence we will verify. Next question is, children, 7x square y minus 3z square into x plus y plus z. For the values x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1, we have to verify. The procedure is first term into second bracket minus second term into second bracket. So multiply 7x cube y plus 7x square y square plus 7x square y z. You have to be very careful while multiplying, children. This into this plus this into this, again this into this, minus. Since you have minus outside, for all the terms you get minus sign. 3xz square minus 3yz square minus 3z cube. Here, do we have any common term? We have to observe. Here x cube y, xy square y square, x square y z, xz square, yz square, z cube. All are having different terms. So this will be the last step. Now, consider LHS for verification. 7x square y minus 3z square into x plus y plus z. In place of x, we should substitute 1. In place of y, 1 again. In place of z, we have to substitute minus 1. Let us see how. 7 into 1 square into 1 minus 3 into, what is z, children? Minus 1. Minus 1 square into, what is x again? 1 plus 1 minus 1 because z is minus 1. Remove the powers. 7 into 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1 whole square is, you know already, minus 1 multiplied by 2 times, which will be plus 1. So 1 I keep here. Then 1 minus plus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is, let us see in the next step. 7 ones are 7 minus 3 ones are 3 into 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 3 is, children, 4. Now consider RHS. 7x cube y plus 7x square y square plus 7x square yz minus 3xz square minus 3yz square minus 3z cube. So in this way, again we are substituting x is 1, y is 1. But wherever you get z, you should substitute with minus 1. 7 into 1 cube plus 7 into 1 square, 7 into 1 square, 1 minus 1. Minus 3 into 1 minus 1 square. You are left with these two. So minus 3 into 1 into minus 1 square minus 3 into minus 1 cube. Remove the powers, children. 7 into 1 into 1 plus 7 into 1 into 1 plus 7 into 1 into minus 1. Here minus 1 is there. So 1 here, 1 I wrote, 1 and minus 1. Now 3 into 1 into minus 1 2 times is 1 again. Minus 3 into 1 into minus 1 square is 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 is multiplied 3 times. When you have odd number for negative sign power, then the answer will be minus 1, children. Now, let us remove the brackets by multiplying 7 ones are 7 plus 7 ones are 7 Plus into minus will be minus 7. Here minus 3. Again minus 3. Minus into minus is plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Plus 7 minus 7 get cancelled. 7 minus 3 is 4. Here we observe LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Children, these type of problems has to be worked out many times. You have to practice more and more, then only you become perfect. Next is third question, children, that is 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square into 2a plus 3b, and the values for a and b is 2 and 1. Here you have the question. I will interchange the algebraic expression, that is, I will interchange their places. Rearranging we call. I have written binomial first and then trinomial next. First term into second bracket. Then second term 3b into second bracket. 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Now monomial with all the three terms. 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 18ab square. So you have completed here. Now you should multiply this with all the three terms. Plus 12ab square b. Here square is there. Minus 18ab square plus 27b cube. Children, you are left with the 8a cube as it is, and then minus 12a square b plus 12a square b get cancelled. 18ab square minus 18ab square get cancelled. You are left with 27b cube. Consider LHS. LHS is 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square into 2a plus 3b. In place of a, 2. In place of b, 1. 4 into 2 square minus 6 into 2 into 1 plus 9 into 1 square. Close the bracket. 2 into a is 2 plus 3 in 3b is 1. Now let us remove the powers. 4 into 4 minus 6 into 2 into 1, and then you have plus 9 into 1. First you have to multiply in the next step, children. So I am putting the brackets. Then you have 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Since we have to multiply first, I am using the brackets here. If you don't use it, it is okay. But if you use it, it will be perfect. Which one you have to multiply? 4 4s are 16 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 9. Close the brackets. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. 16 minus 12 is 4 plus 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 9 plus 4, which is 13 into 7, which is equal to 91, children. Now RHS 8a cube plus 27b cube. As you know, a is how much? A is 2 and b is 1. 2 cube plus 27 1 cube. 8 into 8 plus 27 into 1. Children, you know 2 cube means 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So I have written 8. 8 8s are 64 plus 27, which is 91. Therefore, we have verified that LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Children, next you have Fourth question, m square minus 10m plus 25 m minus 5, where m is minus 2. So here, who will explain me the next steps here? Fourth main, anybody? Fourth one. Is anyone ready?
I'm ready, miss.
Tell me.
Ready, miss.
Ritika Ansinappa, miss. Yes, miss.
Come on, start.
Miss, we should first interchange the trinomial and binomial terms, miss.
Very good. Then
Then
m into,
multiply
come on. What we have to do?
minus
First
5
term
into second bracket.
First term into second bracket minus 5. That is second term into second bracket.
Second
What is the second bracket?
m square minus 10m plus 25, miss.
Good. Next, we have to multiply monomial with the all the three terms. Come on, tell me the answer directly.
m cube minus 10 minus 5m square minus
No,
Minus,
minus into minus will be
plus 50m plus 25
plus
by
into
1
minus
by
is
1 by
minus 25 5 120. Children, I get disturbed here. I'm just switch off. Sorry. Then we have m cube minus. Then we have 15 5 minus 5 minus 10, which is minus 15 m square. Then you have plus 75 m, because here you have 25 plus 50 will be 75 minus 125. In this way you get LHS and RHS. Consider LHS m square minus 10m plus 25 into m minus 5. What is the value of m here? M is minus 2. So wherever you get m, you substitute minus 2, children. Minus 10 into, what is the value of m? Minus 2. Then you have plus 25. And then in the next bracket you have minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 multiplied 2 times will be 4. Minus into minus is plus. 10 2s are 20 plus 25 as it is. Minus 2 and minus 5. Now plus 4 minus 20 will be minus 16 plus 25. Here children, minus into minus is plus. So plus I write. All you have to add, which will be equal to 49 into minus 7. 49 into minus 7 is minus 343. You multiply in the rough side, children. Then we have RHS. RHS is m cube minus 15m square plus 75m minus 125. What is the value of m you have taken? Minus 2 cube minus 15 minus 2 square plus 75 minus 2 minus 125. Minus 2 multiplied 3 times is minus 8. Minus 15 into minus 2 multiplied 2 times will be 4. Because you have to multiply first, I am using the brackets here. Plus into minus is minus. 75 2s are 150 minus 125. Here minus 8 minus 15 4s are 60 minus 150 minus 125. Added all together, you have to get a minus 343, where we find LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have verified. So the next is question number 5, that is p square plus q square plus r square into pq plus qr. So we find first trinomial, but we want first binomial. Interchange the positions. Why? Because we know if we interchange also the answer remains the same, isn't it, children? For multiplication, if I take 2 into 3, if I write 2 into 3 as 3 into 2, still the answer remains the same. So in multiplication, to change the position also, we don't need, worry about the answer. The answer remains the same because we know that I am going to interchange the position. Now, first term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. Now, the monomial with the trinomial p cube q plus pq cube plus pqr square plus this monomial with all the three terms. Because p is first, so I write p square qr plus q into q square. Q cube, r is left, one time write down. qr into r square, qr cube. Find out any like terms you have. You don't have any like terms, so I keep it as it is. LHS will be p square plus q square plus r square into pq plus qr. Now, the value of p is given as 2, q is given as -3 and r is given as 1. In place of p, we should substitute 2 square plus -3 square plus 1 square. Then 2 into q is -3 plus -3 into 1. Now remove the powers. 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1. -3 multiplied 2 times. Minus into minus is plus. 3 3s are 9. Then we have plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6 minus 3. 9 plus 1 plus 4. 14 into minus 9, which will be equal to minus 126. 14 nines are children. Then we have RHS. RHS is P cube Q plus PQ cube plus PQ R square, P square QR plus Q cube R plus QR cube. So all the terms in the RHS we are going to write here. Then substitute the values as P is 2. 2 cube. Q is how much? -3 plus 2 into -3 to the power of 3 plus 2 into -3 into 1 square plus this term children P square. 2 square -3 into 1 plus Q cube R. Q is -3 cube into R plus -3 into 1 cube. Substitution you should learn by only practicing children. Here if you only observe, you don't get the answer directly. You should be practicing again and again the substitution. 2 cube, which is 8 into -3 plus 2 into -3 multiplied 3 times minus 27 minus 2 into 3 into 1 plus 4 into -3 into 1 plus minus 27 into 1, then plus -3 into 1. Now multiply by removing the brackets. -24 minus 54 minus 6 minus 12 minus 27 minus 3. Answer is minus 126 added together. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS Hence we have verified. The last question, children, which is pi by 4 x square minus 3 by 2 xy into x plus y square. Value of x is 2, y is 2. So we have given binomial with the trinomial. No need to interchange here. The sign is minus, children. First term 5 by 4 x square into second term is x plus y square, y plus y square, plus here you have minus. So minus I keep 3 by 2 xy into x plus y square. First term into second bracket minus second term into second bracket. 5 by 4 x cube into x square into x is x cube plus 5 by 4 x square y plus 5 by 4 x square y square. Multiply the first term with all the three terms and then minus monomial into all the three terms. Minus 3 by 2 x square y minus 3 by 2 x y square minus 3 by 2 x y cube. Find out any like terms you have. Here you can find the like terms, which is 5 by 4 x square y and minus 3 by 2 x square y. Other terms as it is 5 by 4 x cube plus 5 by 4 x square y square minus 3 by 2 xy square minus 3 by 2 xy cube. Here only these two terms are like terms, children. So I write here 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2 in the bracket, which is common x square y. Now one more step, 5 by 4 x cube plus 5 by 4 x square y square minus 3 by 2 xy square minus 3 by 2 xy cube. Till I write here the same terms. Here I am going to subtract these two rational numbers. We know if the denominators are different, we have to take the LCM. 4 and 2 LCM is 4. 4 how many times? 1 time. 2 times. 5 ones are 5. And then minus 3 twos are 6. Minus 6 plus 5, which is minus 1 by 4 x square y. In this way we get this one will be LHS. The answer we got is RHS. Consider LHS. 5 by 4 x square y minus 3 by 2 xy into x plus y square. Here, what is the value of x, children? 2. Y is also 2. Here in such type of question where both the values are same, you don't get confused because both values should be put as 2. So go on replacing the variables with the 2. In place of x 2, in place of x 2, in place of y also 2. 3 by 2, 2 into 2. Close the brackets. 2 plus 2 plus 2 square. Then remove the powers first. 2 square is 4. 3 by 2 into 2 into 2. The next bracket 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4. Now cancel. 4 ones are 4 ones are. 2 ones are 2 ones are. 5 ones are 5 minus 3 twos are 6. The right next term 2 plus 2 plus 4, which is 8. Next you have 5 minus 6 is minus 1 into 8, which is minus 8. Now consider RHS. In RHS you have the long terms 5 by 4 x cube plus 5 by 4 x square y square minus 3 by 2 xy square minus 3 by 2 xy cube Last is minus 1 by 4 x square y. Check the terms, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms you have in RHS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go on substituting. In place of x 2 and in place of y also 2. 3 by 2, 2 into 2 square minus 3 by 2, 2 into 2 cube minus 1 by 4, 2 square into 2. Now next step will be removing the brackets. Plus 5 by 4 into 2, 2s are 4 into 4. Close the brackets if you get confused. Then we have minus 3 by 2 into 2 into 2. Minus 3 by 2 into 2. 2 cube is 8. Minus 1 by 4 into 2 square into 2. 4 into 2, children. Now cancellation. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 ones are, 4 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 4 ones are, 4 ones are. Next we have 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 20, minus 3 twos are 6, minus 3 eights are 24, then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Here the answer we get is minus 8, children. 10 minus plus 20, 30, minus 6 is 24, minus 24. Here you have to get the 5 twos are 10, minus 2, you got plus 20. 5 fours are 20. Children, here you have, here it is 2 twos are 4. So 3 fours are 12. It will be, instead of 6, I should write 12 here, children. Therefore, you get the answer as 30 minus 12 and minus 24 minus 2, which will be minus 8. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we have verified. So, in this way, we have solved the problems from worksheet 4 in this session, children. Hope you understood well.